In this video, we will show you how to create and manage promotions and coupons for your property using the Ingo app. This feature helps you attract guests and maximize your bookings by offering targeted deals. Launch the Ingo app and navigate to promotions and coupons from the side menu. Create new offers with a few clicks. To offer the best value to your customers, choose from ready-made promotion templates like basic promotions, last-minute deals, and early bird specials. We also offer long-stay deals, day-based promotions, or custom options to fit your needs. To set up a promotion, click Create Now. Select the discount for all users and an additional discount for logged-in users. Define your booking window and choose whether the promotion applies based on check-in or booking dates. Finally, give your promotion a clear name for easy identification. Optimize your promotion further. Select specific rooms or rate plans to include and define any blackout dates where the promotion won't apply. Once you are happy, simply hit save and your promotion is live. Next, let's look at creating a targeted pricing strategy with special audience promotions. Attract specific guest groups like business travelers, mobile users, or loyal customers. Set a default discount for all user groups at once or tailor offers for specific groups. Click the menu icon and add custom settings to personalize. Define the discount, set stay dates, and use advanced options to optimize for specific booking windows and blackout dates. Simply save your offers to activate them. Finally, offer exclusive coupon discounts for guest booking through MakeMyTrip or Goibibo. Use the slider to set your discount, configure stay dates, and leverage advanced settings for booking and blackout dates. Now, let's switch to the active promotions screen. Here, you can see all your ongoing promotions and coupons. Monitor the impact of your offers, including the total booked room nights and generated revenue. Easily find specific promotions using filters. Sort results by deal type, promotion name, booking date range, and more. You can also sort by recency, expiry date, or revenue room nights generated. With a click on the menu icon, you can easily modify, deactivate, or create a new promotion as needed. You can easily check your post-promotion rate also, considering various check-in dates, customer type, guest count, and more. The expired screen lets you view details of past promotions. Renew any successful promotion with a single click. We hope this video helps you leverage Ingo App's promotions and coupons feature to attract more guests and boost your property's revenue. Thanks for watching.